Hi, welcome to Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2019 built but model year 20 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. And let me tell you, on these kind of kilometers and this kind of condition, it is incredible value. So let me walk you around the vehicle, show you the features and the overall condition of the car. Starting at that front end, you can see it has got that iconic diamond shield look to it, which we are all used to and we all know and love. It is a beautifully designed front end, and those headlights, which do integrate quite nicely into that grille, do look absolutely stunning. And you've even got the daytime running lamp that runs through those headlights and gives it a more elegant look to the front end. It also helps to be seen on the road. Down the bottom you have got your fog lights and the chrome surrounds for your front grille. Once again, do tie in very nicely with the white paintwork. Condition wise, that front end is pretty much spot on. So we'll keep making our way along to the first alloy wheel. Now pay attention to the condition as I go along, because I am going to be very picky, and let me tell you, that multi-spoke design on that wheel looks absolutely stunning, and apart from a little bit of dust on it at the moment, that wheel is actually completely unmarked. Tires are in great condition as well. Along the side of the vehicle now, the paintwork presents in just about immaculate condition. I actually can't fault this car so far at all. You've got the side mirrors, which are color matched with the door handles. You've also got the indicator built into that side mirror, which does give the whole side of the vehicle a much cleaner look and increases the visibility when you do indicate. Now, being keyless entry, you just press that button on the door to lock it, and when you press it again, it unlocks it and unfolds your mirrors. Now, taking a look on the inside, the LS model gets my favorite interior design of the entire Outlander range. You do get the half leather and half suede look to the seats. It is a very modern and elegant look, and it is a very, very comfortable seat as well. So very well designed, and to be honest, as I said, the best design for the seats in the range. Now, on the door trims and scuff guards, there are pretty much no marks from where people usually kick them when they're getting in and out of the car, and where we get lazy and kick the doors open, as you can see, minimal scuffing along that door as well. Now, the back windows do have privacy glass, which is just a dyed glass, so there's no UV protection on them. They are a little bit darker than the front, but only for privacy purposes. So what I would highly recommend you ask us about is the premium window tint we offer. We will match it with the darkest legal tint, plus add the UV film on the back, giving you the added benefit of the UV and safety of the tint. Now, that next alloy wheel, once again, beautiful condition there. That is completely unmarked, and tread on those tires is really good too. Along this side of the vehicle, paintwork once again is absolutely spot on. Now, along to the back end, very well designed. You've got the 3 LED lines in the taillights, which looks stunning, and up the top you've got that spoiler, which does keep that rear mounted stoplight and wipe washer hidden away quite neatly. You've got the color match parking sensors along the back bumper there, and being the LS 7-seater model, you do get 2 back seats, which pretty much don't really take up any space at all, and it does give you a good 50-50 split if you did have someone sitting in the back. And when they fold down, it is very easy to use and they don't take up any space. Now, under the floor you've got some storage under here as well if you wanted. The spare wheel is mounted underneath, so you just wind it down from in here. You've also got that cargo blind fitted, so when you just slide that closed, it will actually keep everything in the back nice and private. Closing that back up, we'll keep making our way along the passenger side. Now, once again, passenger side is pretty much spot on too. You've got the fuel filler cap on the passenger side there, and that next wheel, once again, the ones that are parked next to the curb, that's also completely unmarked. Passenger side paintwork will pan along as we get to that next wheel. It is, once again, absolutely spot on. So very, very well looked after, even on such low kilometers. That last and final wheel is also completely unmarked. So 4 unmarked wheels. Paintwork presents in immaculate condition from front to back, and it is very, very well maintained. Guys, ask us about the glass coat, because we're going to offer you a lifetime warranty on this paintwork at an additional cost, but it is worth protecting an investment such as this. Now, what we're going to do is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. You look under the bonnet. It is Mitsubishi's iconic MyVec engine, which is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine. Now, ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, which is awesome to know in a family car, because it is good to know that everyone inside your vehicle is going to be safe. Now the power output is 124 kilowatts with a torque rating of 220 newton meters. Petrol fuel tank holds 63 liters and it will run on 91 fuel. Combined fuel consumption is about 7.2 liters per 100, and the average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 875 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander now. On the driver's side door, you do get 4 power window controls, which are all automatic up and down. Above that, you've got your central locking button and your window toggles. Now on the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you've got a few of the safety buttons. So if you want more information on Mitsubishi's MyVec safety systems, please ask us about it, because we will walk you through them and tell you everything you need to know about the systems. Now you've got forward collision mitigation there, you've also got lane departure warning, your parking sonars, and 2 blank buttons if you wanted to add anything extra. You've also got adjustable headlights, so you can change the angle of your headlights if you are towing anything or if the back is weighed down a little bit. You've also got your traction control and the menu control for between your clusters. On the right hand stalker, you've got your indicators, fog lights, and automatic headlights, as well as automatic high beams. On the left hand side here, you've got washer and wiper controls. Wipers are also rain sensing, so they will turn on when they need to. On the steering wheel, cruise control is on the right hand side here with your adaptive cruise control distance setting. On the left hand side, you've got all your media and hands-free controls. Having a look in the center display, I'm just going to pop it in reverse quickly, show you the nice reverse camera you get. So as you can see the rear bar there. So if you did add a tow bar to this vehicle, you can actually see the tow bar in that camera. In terms of media, you have got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've also got AM and FM radio, USB input as well, so plenty of options there for however you like to listen to your radio. Down the bottom, dual zone climate control, meaning passenger and driver can both set their own temperatures. Down here again, you've got a 12-volt socket and a little hole where if, for example, your key battery goes dead, just put it in there and you will still be able to start your car. You've also got a USB port just under here, some blank buttons, and your eco mode. Now the cup holders in here do hide away quite neatly, so there is a little cover that opens and closes if you did want to keep the cup holders hidden. Down here, leather wraps shifter. You've also got an electric park brake and your auto hold. In the center console here, you've got plenty of storage, so really good for keeping wallets and phones and keys and important stuff while you are driving. Now back seat, I've got two USB ports, so if the kids in the back do need to charge their devices, they have got the option. Those back seats do also slide forward, and if you needed to make the extra space in the back, they can also fold completely flat, giving you storage right up to the driver's seat. So very, very well designed vehicle, and it is in great condition as well. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Outlander. As you can see, it is in great condition, so do your part and ask us about the glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. And with something that offers you a lifetime warranty on such beautiful condition, why would you not want to take advantage of that? The other thing I would highly recommend is the Platinum 1 program, which this car does qualify for. Pretty much an extension of your factory warranty. It'll give you another 5 years of cover and up to 10 years of premium roadside assistance nationwide. You also get $5,000 claim limits and much, much more. So it is awesome value and a great way to just protect the vehicle you are buying. Before I go, one more important thing is that you need to know who you're dealing with. So ask us about our Google reviews, read our Google reviews, and have a look at what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are dealing with a great dealership. We're going to look after you from start to finish, and we're going to make sure that the vehicle you are buying is a good vehicle as well. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.